Welcome to 94 Hicks, Unit 3. This gorgeous brand new listing that we have from the Lee-Tessitore team. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, private outdoor terrace. We have over 850 square feet interior and 270 square feet of exterior private terrace space. So let's walk through here first. You have this beautiful, first off, let me show you these amazing 10.5 foot ceilings, crown moldings. I don't have any lights on right now, and it's a cloudy day. This is all eastern exposure over here. You've got decorative fireplace, a nice big 1 of 4 closets. And then as you come over here, kitchen is right off of the living room, a nice big windowed kitchen, large enough to be eaten. Kitchen was just renovated a couple years ago. And you can have enough space here for a nice little dining table. Windows are open and it's pin drop quiet in here. So coming back around here, you can have a back view of the living room space. There's the front door, and then we walk now to the bedroom. And let me just show you real quick one of the closets here, but they're all pretty much the same size. You can see how much stuff is in here and how deep and how high it goes. So coming back around, you have 2 more closets along the hallway and your very large bedroom space. This is a queen, but you could easily fit a king. As you can see, the current tenants have set up a work from home space in the corner right next to the windows, which leads out to private terrace. Another big closet on this side. And then coming back around, you have an ensuite bath with a separate section for your toilet, 2 windows in the bathroom, and then nice big shower tub. And another big window that looks out onto the private terrace. Don't worry, I will show you that last. And coming back out of the bathroom, I'll show you the view from here. You can see they have a lot of furniture, a lot of big furniture. All right, now let's go to the best part, your own private terrace. Oops. Let's unlock this first. And voila. It just keeps going. Let me show you again. This is your view every day outside your windows in the bedroom. If you're interested in viewing this apartment, contact us, Lee-Tessitore team at compass.com, and thanks for watching.